Hey there, Brett Jennings with Silicon Valley Real Estate Journal here. I wanted to wish you and yours happy holidays. As we enter into this time between Christmas and New Year's, it really slows down here in real estate, and it's been a fun time for me every year to kind of stop, reflect on the year past, and set goals for the year going forward. A number of you may or may not know that in my 20s, I worked for the motivational speaker and trainer Tony Robbins. He's been a great influence and mentor in my life. A number of my team members and friends have gone through his programs, created some amazing results in their lives. But he has a process that he shared with me that I've taken many of my friends through. It's called New Year, New Life. And it is about taking some time to just look back on that previous year and then set those goals for the coming year. And I want to share it with you. So in the link below, you'll see a link to an audio as well as a PDF. So if you've got some time between Christmas and New Year's and you're feeling inspired to create some great stuff in 2019, I encourage you to check it out. See what you get out of it, and I'd love to hear what your plans are for 2019. And until we talk again, it's Brett Jennings saying we'll be right here ready to help you create a better life through real estate.